Keith, we're done with the snow for today, but any of our live cameras have had a little bit of shake to them with the breeze out there already.
Yeah, we've got some windy stuff this afternoon into tonight, and it looks pretty cold. There's a look at Spring Point Ledge, I believe is what it's called. Yeah, it's just going to be breezy through the rest of today. Let's summarize our storm over the last 2 days, and I would summarize it by saying Bangor for the loss here. Look at the last. This is the 2 rounds put together. Anything over 6 inches is in the shaded yellow here. And you can see pretty good across southern Maine, but between round 1 and round 2 sat Bangor right across up into the Carrabassett Valley. And we talked yesterday about those 2 spots not getting much snow. So they ended up right in the middle, and the forecast for them, not very good. The rest was okay. We can do better. We'll give it a B plus, B minus, B minus. I don't want to go plus. Here's a look at the radar right now. Not much out there. Temperatures falling, winds out of the northwest, and that's dragging down colder air. So right now we're in the 20s, teens, but single digits into the mountains, and that's where that air is coming from. Look at Rangeley, Greenville, Caribou, Holton, 9 apiece. So that's coming down to the coast throughout today. In addition to that, as we talked about at the beginning there, it is quite windy, so you have a wind chill factor through the day. The sun helps, makes it feel a little bit nicer out there, but certainly it is on the chilly side. So temperatures keep dropping through the afternoon and quickly overnight tonight. Now, I do think, as I mentioned, that this model is a little bit too cold. It's had that bias lately. It did it with the storm yesterday too. But I do think, around 0 along the coast is very possible by early tomorrow morning, and about 5 below inland is possible, up to 10 below into the mountains. It will be a clear night, so that helps get us a little bit colder too. One difference between this and that last super cold snap, well, one is about 10 degrees, maybe 15. The other is it's not going to be all night like that. Remember that cold snap was cold from 4 in the afternoon through the next morning. This will be cold more traditionally in the late night hours into the early morning hours. So tomorrow we start with sun, but it's chilly throughout the day. Temperatures only get into the teens, single digits into the mountains. And then we see a little round of snow come in here Sunday afternoon. Not a huge deal, an inch, maybe 2 along the coastline on Sunday afternoon into Sunday night, and it remains on the cold side. So here are forecast lows for tonight on either side of 0 along the coast, 5 below, 10 below, 15 below, and that's just air temp. Obviously, wind chill will make it feel even colder. After that, we've got something for Monday night into Tuesday. I still like this storm a lot. We're just trying to figure out the exact spot of it. So I would say right now, this continues to look like a Portland to Boston storm, but the second half of it, which is Tuesday afternoon, may be able to get some of the ski areas in and into the mid-coast, depending on the exact setup here. So this still looks pretty promising, and it looks like a relatively long duration event from Monday night through Tuesday night into early Wednesday, and we'll try to maybe take a shot at some general totals later this afternoon. And by the way, look at that. Here's Thursday night. So cooking now. No surprise. We'll just put snow on Tuesday. We'll get more specific when we can. Mostly cloudy on Wednesday. Snow is possible again on Thursday. So we've got a system every couple of days at this point. I'm not sure if I'd count Sunday night as a legit one, but there could be enough snow, like I said, for an inch or 2 in there. Tuesday remains intriguing, Brian, and part of the reason is it's a slow mover, and most of our good storms kind of get stuck. So this one has potential for that, for sure.
That's why we'll stay with you for the next few days. All right, thanks, Keith.